I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we'll review basic concepts of vectors. The question here is A is 3, 2, minus 1 and B is minus 1, 2, 4. Find 2 points on the line AB which are 2 square root 41 units from A. I'd like you to pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. Now when we say 2 points on line AB, what we really mean here is that let's say we have a line on which we have 2 points given, A and B. Let's say the points are A and B, right? Now what we need to do is to find equation of the line and any general point on this line, and then let's say P is the general point, then distance between PA should be 2 square root 41. That is the strategy, right? So let's find the equation of line AB. So let's find equation of the line AB to start with. Since we know A and B, we can find the direction vector. Let's say direction vector between A and B is MAB, which will be OB minus OA, right? Which will be OB minus OA. Now, when I write OB, I mean position vector, right? So this basically is difference in the two position vectors. What I'm trying to say here is, let us say this is O, the origin, right? So OB minus OA gives us AB. Do you understand the concept? So that is what it is, right? So in our case, O to B will be this minus 0, so same point, right? So we can write this as minus 1, 2, 4 minus OA, which is the vector now, 3, 2, minus 1. So these are coordinate points. And that's the vector OA and OB, right? So that gives you the direction vector, which is, we get minus 4, 2 minus 2 is 0, and 4, that becomes plus 5, correct? So we have this as the direction vector. Now we can take A as a point and we can say that the equation of the line could be written as xyz equals to one of these points. We'll prefer to take A, which is 3, 2, minus 1 plus the parameter t times the direction vector, which is minus 4, 0, 5, right? So that becomes the equation of the line. Now any general point on this equation, the coordinates will be x equals to 3 minus 40, y will be equals to 2, t0, so just 2, y equals to 2, and z equals to minus 1 plus 5t. So that is a general point on the line AB. Now when I say that the distance from AB is that much, then we can say the distance formula is basically square root of x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square plus z minus z1 whole square, right? That's the direction distance formula. Absolute value we'll be taking. Now, so if that is the formula, we can always use x as the values for the general point on the line, which is 3 minus 4t, and x1, y1, z1 will be coordinates of A, right? So, and then we can also square it, right? So we can write d squared equals to x minus x1. So I'm using x as a general point. So I get 3 minus 4t minus x1, which means 3 for us, the coordinate point for A whole square, plus y is 2 minus 2 whole square, plus z is minus 1 plus 5t, take away minus 1, so that becomes plus 1, right, whole square. Now distance is 2 square root 41, so we can write then 2 square root 41 square, correct? So that becomes square of this. We can simplify this a bit and then square. So I'll go one more step here. So 3 minus 3 is 0, so we get minus 4t whole square, plus that is 0. And here we get minus 1 plus 1 is 0, so we get plus 5t whole square, right? Now let's combine these two, that is 16t square plus 25t square, add these two, so get 41t square, right? Now 41t square is all this, which is 4 times 41, correct? 4 times 41. So now you can solve this. So from here we know 4 times 41, when you square this, 2 square is 4, square root of this equals to 41t square, and that implies that 41 cancels, t equals to square root of 4 with plus and minus, and that gives you two values, plus and minus, plus and minus 2, right? Square root of 4 is 2. So what we get is t equals to plus minus 2. Now with that, we can actually get coordinate points which are 2 square root 41 distance away from A. We'll substitute these values in the general equation, which is this one, right? So we can write the x value is equals to, so we'll root for t equals to 2, we can write down x value, and then we can also find for t equals to minus 2, correct? So 3 minus 4t, so we can write 3 minus 4 times 2, and y value will be 2, which is a constant. Z is minus 1 plus 5 times 2, correct? So if you calculate, you get 3 minus 8, which is minus 5, y is 2, right? And z is 10 minus 1, which is 9. So that is one point. For the other point, let us substitute t equals to minus 2. I'm just saving some space here. So writing x as equals to, when I substitute minus 2, I get 3 minus, 4 times minus 2, okay? And for y, we'll get y equals to 2. And for z, we will get minus 1 plus 5 times minus 2. Let's calculate this. Minus minus makes it plus. So 8 plus 3 is 11. Y is 2, okay? And z is minus 11, right? So we get 2 points. The points are minus 5, 2 and 9. And the other point is 11, 2 and minus 11, correct? So that is how you can actually find 2 points given distance away from one point. I hope that helps. I'm Anil Kumar. You can always share and subscribe to my videos. Thanks for watching.